Hello and welcome, friends. I'm so glad you've stopped by to visit today. In this video, we'll be exploring one of my favorite moments of the year, that window of time between summer's lingering light and autumn's approaching embrace. It's the season of gentle transitions, and today we'll celebrate it through early fall decorating. I'll be sharing how I use a more neutral palette in our home during this time, creating an atmosphere that feels calm and understated. It's all about preparing our spaces for the richer, deeper tones that come with autumn's full arrival. But for now, the decor remains soft, subtle, and beautifully minimal. I've always loved these in-between moments when the air shifts just enough to invite change, but not so much that we need to rush. I love to mimic what is happening in nature, keeping our home more harmonious with the change. There's something truly special about the simplicity of this transition, a chance to let the quieter side of my style shine, and to savor the understated beauty in our surroundings. I hope you enjoy.
Absolutely flawless in every way. That's the day I'm having right now. I pinch my arm to believe. I wish I could stay right here and never leave. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end. Wait up, sundown, wait a while before the night descends. All this time, where have you been? I thought I had searched both without and within. I was looking to get wet, standing in the rain. Then you offered your umbrella and everything changed.
Thank you so much for joining me today and sharing in this gentle shift from summer to fall. As we let these tranquil, neutral tones lead us quietly into the heart of autumn, remember, it's in the soft spaces and the subtle changes that our homes and our spirits find time to breathe. May your own seasonal transitions be peaceful, your corners filled with light, and your decor a reflection of the beauty found in small, quiet moments. If this inspired you to embrace early fall decorating in your own way, I'd love for you to share your ideas or stories in the comments below. Until next time, savor the hush, embrace the pause, and enjoy the unfolding elegance of the season. Until next time.